Your home's windows play an important role in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall curb appeal. But when your windows start showing signs of age or damage, many homeowners in Smithtown find themselves facing a common question. Should you repair your existing windows or replace them altogether? The right choice depends on several factors, including the extent of the damage, the age of your windows, and your long-term goals for your home. Understanding the pros and cons of each option can help you make an informed decision that fits your budget and lifestyle. Here's what Smithtown residents should know about window repair versus window replacement. When window repair is the right choice in some cases, repairing your windows is a simple and cost-effective way to restore function and appearance, especially when the damage is minor or isolated. Common repair scenarios include broken or cracked glass. If the frame is still in good condition, replacing a single pane of glass may be sufficient. Worn weather stripping or seals. Replacing seals can stop drafts and improve efficiency without replacing the entire window. Faulty locks or hardware. Damaged handles, hinges, or latches can often be replaced easily. Sticking or jammed sashes. A professional can often realign or lubricate window tracks to restore smooth operation. When repair makes sense. Repairs are ideal when your windows are relatively new or still structurally sound. If you're not dealing with widespread issues or significant energy loss, repairing can extend your window's lifespan and help you save money in the short term. However, it's important to remember that repairs are often temporary fixes. They may address immediate problems but won't necessarily resolve deeper issues like poor insulation or frame deterioration. When it's time to replace your windows, there comes a point when repair isn't enough, particularly if your windows are old, inefficient, or showing widespread wear. In Smithtown's varied climate, where hot summers and cold winters test your home's insulation, outdated windows can significantly impact comfort and energy bills. Signs you need replacement windows. Persistent drafts or temperature fluctuations. Air leaks mean your windows are no longer insulating properly. Condensation between panes. Fog or moisture inside double-pane glass indicates a broken seal. Visible decay or water damage. Rotting wood frames or corroded metal are signs of deeper structural issues. Difficult operation. Windows that stick, jam, or won't lock securely may have warped over time. Rising energy bills. Older, single-pane windows can let heat escape in winter and cool air out in summer. Why replacement is worth the investment. Modern replacement windows offer more than just a cosmetic upgrade. With double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, today's windows are built for performance. They improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and enhance your home's security and value. Homeowners who replace outdated windows in Smithtown can see significant energy savings year-round, an important consideration given Long Island's seasonal temperature changes. Plus, new windows are designed for durability and easy maintenance, meaning fewer repairs and headaches down the line. Cost considerations and long-term value. At first glance, repair might seem like the more affordable choice. However, it's important to think about long-term costs. Repeated repairs can add up over time, especially if your windows are nearing the end of their lifespan. Window replacement, while more of an upfront investment, offers lasting value. You'll benefit from lower energy bills, improved comfort, and increased home resale value. Additionally, most new windows come with warranties that protect your investment for decades. Professional assessment makes the difference. The best way to decide between repair and replacement is to schedule an inspection with a local window professional. Experts familiar with Smithtown's weather and housing styles can assess your windows, identify hidden issues, and recommend the most cost-effective solution. They'll consider factors like frame condition, glass integrity, and energy performance to help you choose the option that offers the best balance of comfort and savings. Final thoughts for Smithtown homeowners. Deciding between window repair and replacement depends on the condition of your existing windows, your energy goals, and your budget. Choose repair for small, isolated issues or newer windows in good condition. Choose replacement if your windows are outdated, inefficient, or showing widespread damage. In either case, professional expertise ensures your home remains comfortable, secure, and efficient all year long. Whether you're fixing a few panes or upgrading your entire home, investing in quality workmanship is the key to long-lasting satisfaction.